about to head to Abu Simbel, my final destination on this motorbike trip. Really, I lay down on the sidewalk at that police checkpoint and started falling asleep.
Great. Is it going to be safe? Safe.
I'm so tired. Good morning from Aswan. So I'm about to head to Abu Simbel, my final destination on this motorbike trip. So yeah, it's like 6 in the morning. So it takes around 5 hours, but we'll see. Here there's a big military checkpoint, so I'm sure I'm going to have an escort today. But yeah, Aswan's been very beautiful. I've only been here one day. Didn't see anything, but on the way back I'll be spending more time here and checking out some of the sights. Look at this view right outside my hostel though, like, you know, 30 feet away. These birds are loud. Anyways, so yeah, let's jump on the bike and get going towards Abu Simbel. Excited to be there. I'm going to spend one night there, but you'll hear more about that in a moment, so, or next video maybe. But yeah, bike's ready to go. Yalla bina.
What does he say? Oh, my camera. Oh, sorry, I forgot. What's up, guys? So I'm at a rest stop with a lot of foreigners here and buses, but I'm about an hour and 45 minutes drive from Abu Simbel. Got stopped at a checkpoint actually as I was leaving Aswan, and they escorted me for a while. I'm just kind of whatever about this at this point. I don't care. But they stopped following me after a while. And then I just got stopped at a checkpoint about a mile or a kilometer back. And they just took my passport, but they didn't follow me. I said, "You need anything?" They were very nice. And then he said, "Oh, there's a rest stop up here." And I was like, "I'm not going to stop there." But then I pulled up and I was like, I could use some coffee because I'm really tired. Really, I lay down on the sidewalk at that police checkpoint and started falling asleep. So, anyways, now I have my akhwaziera, which should wake me up and get me to Abu Simbel in the next hour, 45 minutes, 2 hours. We'll see how long it takes. So, yeah. See you guys there soon. I haven't been filming a lot, by the way, because it's a pretty boring desert. Sand everywhere. But, yeah. See you guys soon. Back that way. I just looked at my GPS. Eh? أيوة أنا محتاجة GPS. I was like, shit. Come on. Hannah. Okay. Wow. Where should I park my? Thank you. Shukran. Where should I park my bike?
Maybe in this street.
Yeah. For now, I'll leave it over here. Damn, I'm gonna get stuck in the sand. Whatever. Is this good?
I can do this for you.
See? Oh, call it the mom.
It's not good. No.
Huh?
No. Hi.
Hi.
Here is the sand. Maybe we'll fall down.
I just figured that. Yeah.
Yeah. I suggested it for you.
Uh huh. Yeah, I was just thinking.
Here in the shade will be nearly to you.
Great. Is it going to be safe?
It's safe.
Safe.
Don't worry. And also, if you have a wire, you want to hold it with that. No problem for me.
I didn't. I left my wire in Luxor. I'm gonna take my backpack up and then I.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm so tired. I have made it to Abu Simbel a few hours ago, actually. I forgot to record that. I don't know where the recording left off, but yes, I've arrived and I'm in my room at Safari Abu Simbel, which I got a good deal for, actually, on Agoda. Although I would recommend doing it on Booking just because there was a little complication with the owner. But yeah, I'm so exhausted though. I think I'm getting sick because my throat hurts and I'm very tired. I'm sunburnt. Yeah, just riding for hours and hours every day, being in the sun. I think it's taking its toll on me. Yeah, but I'm gonna go look for some food and try to just sleep today. I go see the temples tomorrow.
Abu Simbel temple and another one down here. I don't, Nefertiti or Nefertata, I don't know, something similar. But yes, made it. It was a very long day. Today was the most exhausting day that I've had, even though it wasn't that long of a drive compared to, you know, the day that I went from Minya to Luxor. That was like 8 hours of driving, but I was so tired. I wanted to pull over and sleep in the desert, to be honest. And I did get stopped at a checkpoint and did lay down on the sidewalk outside there for a minute. They were like, okay. They looked at my passport and they're like, you can go. And I was like, all right, cool. They were like, you want anything? I was like, no, but I want to like lay down here for a second. And then I picked up an escort when I arrived into Aswan. They followed me to the hotel. I'm kind of just used to it at this point. It is what it is. As long as they stay behind me, I don't care. Actually, I did have an escort for a while, but then they just disappeared. Whatever. I saw them in my rearview mirror and then they weren't there. Doesn't matter to me anymore. But yeah, I think I need to get some rest. Half my ears plugged up, and what an exhausting day. Oh, my face is burnt. Okay, I'm boring you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tagging along. Follow the journey. I don't even know if I record going back. It's like, probably will. See you guys later. Catch you on the next one.